We're gonna start off with the front first. Oh, look at the fitment right now. Completely aired out. Passenger side is a little bit higher because the camera doesn't go in as much. It's pretty damn low. But we're gonna do something a little bit different. I don't know if you guys remember my OEM wheels, but I had OEM wheels and I put spacers on them. They were 20 mil spacers. And we're gonna stick these bad boys on and see how far these wheels stick out. You never know, it might look sick, man. It might be fender to tire. Yeah, we're gonna get started on this. We're gonna do one side, I'm gonna do the passenger side. We're gonna do that right now, and hopefully it's something that I wanna keep on. Alright, we got that off. These are 20 millimeters, by the way. So we got the spacer put on, as tight as it'll go. Alright, put this back on. And let's put the other one on. We're not gonna do the wheel yet. Look how much it's sticking out, but it's still on the jack, but like, jeez. It's not as bad as I thought it would be in the front, but we're gonna go ahead and take down the jack, and then we're gonna use my phone to try to air out and see what it looks like. But I'm not trying to mess up my fender, so I am gonna like do it really softly. That looks wild already. Okay. I'm telling you right now, this ain't gonna work. We're gonna start off with the front first. Oh, that is toasty, bro. Oh, shit. Oh my goodness. Yeah, that's kind of sick. Can't lie. All right, we're gonna do the rear. All right. Oh. Oh, look at that. Jeez, that's heckin' tight, bro. This is the safest amount of low I can go in the front without, you know, flexing my fenders, and I don't hate it. Like, I kind of like how it's sitting on the fender. It's just still a little bit too high for my liking. I like it better before, if I'm gonna be honest, but I don't hate the way this looks. Like, look at it from the front. Do a comparison from the other side. It's like a meaty look. Look at that. The rear I hate, if I'm gonna be honest. Look at that, it sticks out so much. If I was running stretch, it'd probably be sick, but it's literally sitting right at the top. This is the rear right now in the back. And this is it with the 20 mil spacers. Wow. It does look pretty cool though. It just looks fat. Jeez, bro. Like, look at how much it sticks out and how little it does on this side. It's kind of cool, man. Like, I kind of like it. Like, it just looks different, but I just can't run it. It's just way too aggressive. That's funny. Oh my goodness. All right, I've enjoyed this. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Again, there's gonna be a link in the description for these spacers if you guys want to buy them. They're 20 mils. They are perfect for the stock wheels. Perfect. It would probably be perfect if you had 9.5 plus 35, but I have 9.5 plus 22, so it kind of makes it just go a little crazy, especially in the rear. If I had camber arms in the rear, I could totally run this for sure. I would run it if I had camber arms in the rear, but I don't. So again, I don't hate it. I really don't. I really like how the front looks. I like the amount of tread you can see here. But if you guys have any questions, drop a comment below. I'll be happy to answer them.